Hey there, welcome to my review of the high-rise drone. This drone is one of the most versatile and feature-packed drones on the market, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you today. But before we dive in, I want to make sure you know that if you're interested in purchasing the high-rise drone, the official website is the best place to buy it. I'll leave a link in the description below, so be sure to check it out after the video. The high-rise drone is fully loaded for superior durability and easy handling. Its foldable design makes it small, light, and compact, and the flexible blades mean it can be stored nearly anywhere. The drone is equipped with an HD camera that can record video at 120 frames per second and snap photos up to 12 megapixels. With increased battery capacity, you can capture up to 15 minutes of video before it needs to be recharged. The drone also features electronic image stabilization and the altitude holding feature, which allows beginners to film and fly like pros from the very first flight. Performance. But what really sets the high-rise drone apart from other drones is its performance. It's the fastest drone of its size, flying at speeds of up to 19 meters per second, with a top transmission distance of 4 kilometers. Despite all these features, it's extremely simple to fly and control, even for complete beginners. And with HD slow motion and panoramic video features, this is the best drone for professional photography and video quality at this price. Endless possibilities. The high-rise drone allows you to explore endless possibilities, whether you want to film your adventures from a bird's eye view or capture cinematic shots for your next project. And with its security and safety applications, it can act as your third eye in the sky to keep buildings and large venues secure and provide emergency crews extra help in life-saving search and rescue operations. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a drone that can do it all, the high-rise drone is definitely worth considering. And if you've made up your mind to purchase it, be sure to click on the link in the description box to buy it from the official website. You'll get the genuine product and the best possible customer service. Thanks for watching and happy flying!